Constant Contact Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Constant Contact are in the description below. In this video, I'll walk you through its features, who it's designed for, and whether it's the right tool for your business. Constant Contact is a well-known email marketing platform designed to help small to medium-sized businesses easily create, send, and manage email campaigns. It's especially beneficial for those new to email marketing, as the interface is user-friendly and offers a variety of pre-built templates. One of the standout features of Constant Contact is its drag-and-drop email editor, which makes it simple to design professional-looking emails even if you don't have a design background. The tool offers a wide selection of customizable templates, catering to different industries and campaign types. Whether you're sending newsletters, promotional emails, or event invitations, Constant Contact provides templates that make the process straightforward. For businesses looking to improve their engagement, Constant Contact offers advanced email automation. You can create automated welcome emails, birthday messages, or follow-up sequences based on subscriber behavior. This automation helps businesses build stronger relationships with their audience without manual intervention. Additionally, Constant Contact includes detailed reporting and analytics that allow you to track open rates, click-through rates, and engagement. The insights are easy to digest, helping businesses optimize their campaigns for better results. It also supports A/B testing, which is valuable for refining subject lines, design, and content. What sets Constant Contact apart is its customer support. They offer 24/7 phone and live chat support, along with an extensive knowledge base. This is a huge plus for small business owners who need quick assistance or guidance. Pricing for Constant Contact starts at a reasonable rate for basic plans, with more advanced features available in the higher tiers. The free trial allows you to explore the platform before committing. Overall, Constant Contact is an excellent choice for small businesses that need an easy-to-use email marketing platform with strong automation features, great templates, and solid customer support. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly tool, Constant Contact is worth checking out. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details.